Okay, I know what you're thinking. She's really cute, isn't she? I mean, who wouldn't want to be her? One time I had a dream I was her. She actually gave me this black eye. I was crying tears of joy. One time I walked in on her kissing my boyfriend. She ruined my life, but I'm not that sad about it. I cheated on my girlfriend with her. Okay, I understand that she's super beautiful, but my God, how can people like her so much? She, hates me. I hate you. Sad how people like her so much, right? Sometimes I wish I could just, punch her in the face. What's up, Jessica? But I can't punch her in the face. But maybe one day I will be able to punch her so hard in the face. Please don't punch me, May. Don't do it. Too bad, because I feel like it. But I might as well just keep on dreaming.